Well, we're gonna finish up the last of the wheat today. Out here with the old Gleaner combine. Here's what we're combining. This is soft red winter wheat. I believe it's Kaskaskia as the variety. We're gonna cut the wheat off here, and then we're left with the straw. In a couple days we'll let this dry a little bit more, and then we'll bale the straw up. As you can see across the rest of the field, they've already done that. We got rained out here a couple days ago and didn't quite get everything combined. We're going to fix that here today. It's been about 78 and sunny and slightly breezy all day, so we're hoping this will be pretty dry. Won't get docked at the elevator. Dump it in the old International Paystar there. That's a beast of a truck if there ever is one.